All right, we got a super chat from Barry. Barry writes, "Great show. Just in regards to drag racing, is the 325 PX quicker compared to the TX because of the weight difference?" The answer is no, and it's not because of weight difference. It's because of drag. The RXP-X, the T3R hull, has more drag because of its design than the TX. The TX, when trimmed up and your weight's on the back, has a flat as a board hull. It is flat and has very little drag. That is why I'm critical of the ST3 hull, because you have a very pronounced prow. You have a very pronounced bow of the ski, which does this. It front rudders, and there's nothing in the tail keeping it planted. All right. The factory sponsons don't dig in. They don't hold it. All right. Honestly, that's why every review that we did of Riva Racing sponsons, at minimum, put them down to number 4, if not number 5, the maximum. But there's zero traction on the back of the TX hull. That is why the TX is seeing faster top speed numbers when you see these guys who go out on, irrigation canals in Florida with, razor thin tunes that are detonating the shit and pinging the hell out of their pistons. They're going out there and wringing the snot out of them at 0 altitude, and the TX is faster than the P. And it's because drag. The hull is flat. And the PX is meant for, it's got a PX, has a more pronounced keel, has a more pronounced V. I don't know what you want to call it. It's got a thingy that sticks in the water more. I don't know.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.